2018 BMW 4 Series Coupe. The 2018 BMW 4 Series finishes highly in our luxury small car rankings. It's one of the most athletic cars in the class, and it delivers a good amount of luxury and comfort as well. Is the BMW 4 Series a good car? Regardless of which trim and engine you choose, the BMW 4 Series has good power and acceleration. The sharp steering and nimble handling make it more than capable of attacking winding roads. The cabin is well appointed, and there are plenty of standard and available tech features, including many active safety options. There's also more cargo space than many other cars in the class provide. There are many reasons to like the 4 Series. Pick your favorite. Should I buy the BMW 4 Series? As detailed above, the 4 Series is an excellent vehicle. However, the luxury small car class has many worthwhile vehicles, and many cost less than the 4 Series. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class is an excellent small car, and it costs slightly less than the 4 Series. The Audi A5 doesn't measure up quite as well, but it's another good car that's slightly less expensive than the BMW. Shopping around never hurts, but the 4 Series is a terrific buy. We did the research for you, 31 reviews analyzed. With so much information available, researching a new car purchase can be a trying ordeal. That's why U.S. News crafts such comprehensive car reviews. For the 2018 BMW 4 Series, we analyzed 31 professional reviews, as well as reliability ratings, fuel economy estimates, features lists, and much more. Though the 2018 BMW 4 Series receives a light refresh with updated suspension and infotainment systems and a few new standard features, there have been few major changes since its debut for the 2014 model year. As a result, this overview uses applicable research and reviews from the 2014 through 2018 model years. Why you can trust us. U.S. News Best Cars has been ranking cars, trucks, and SUVs for a decade, and our team has more than 75 years worth of combined experience in the automotive industry. To maintain objectivity, we don't accept expensive gifts or trips from automakers. Additionally, a third party handles all advertising on our site. How much does the BMW 4 Series cost? The BMW 430i starts at $43,100 for the Gran Coupe model. That's one of the highest starting prices in the class. Coupe and convertible models cost more, as do the higher trims, the 440i and the M4. The M4 convertible is the most expensive model in the lineup, with a starting price of $76,200.